Hello everyone. Today we continue with the chapter 9 Places in the Neighborhood. In the previous class we have already learnt about neighborhood, neighbors and services in the neighborhood. And today's our topic is services in the neighborhood. Our neighborhood provides us with many important neighborhood services. This makes our life comfortable. The following are the important services in the neighborhood: hospital, police station, fire station, bank, market, post office, school, and park. From this about hospital and police station we have already learnt in the previous class, and today we are going to learn about other services in the neighborhood. First, fire station. When there is a fire, at that time we dial 101 and call the fire brigade from the fire station. At that time, the firefighters reach the place in their fire engines and put out the fire. These two services are called emergency services. What are they? Police station and fire station services are called emergency services. Next is bank. Bank keeps our money and valuables safely. So what is the importance of bank? Bank keeps our money and other kinds of valuable things keep very safely. Banks also have ATM facility these days. So no need to go to the bank to take money, but we can take the money through ATMs. Nowadays all the people they are using ATMs. Everywhere we can see the ATM center. Money we can easily withdraw from ATM if we have an ATM card. Next is market. A market has many shops to meet our daily needs. We can buy fruits, vegetables, grocery, etc. from the market. Nowadays we have many malls and mega stores from where we can buy things from a single outlet alone. So a market is the place where we can get all the kinds of things. We can buy fruits, vegetables, grocery items, all these things, dress and other kinds of things we can get from the market. And we have to go from one place to another place in search of the things in the market. But if we go to malls and mega stores, we can get all the things from the same place itself. No need to roam here and there. From the single outlet we can get so many things. Next, post office. Post office is the place from where we can send our letters, money orders, parcels and telegrams to our relatives and friends. Postmaster is the head of a post office. So post office is the place where we can send letters to our relatives and our friends. Otherwise we can send birthday gift or money orders and other kinds of parcels to our relatives and friends. So postmaster is the head of the post office, and the postman is also there. The postman delivers the letters to our house. Nowadays courier service enables letters and parcels to reach their destination within 24 hours. So before it was taking a lot of time to collect the letters and deliver the letters, but nowadays courier service we have. So through the courier service we will get the parcels and letters within 24 hours. Next important neighborhood service is school. School is the most important place in our neighborhood. We go to school to learn, to read and write. Teachers teach us good manners. They make us good human beings. So we know about the school. School is the most important place in the neighborhood, and the children, they go to school to learn to write and to learn good manners. The teachers are there, principal is there in the school, and the teachers teach the students about the good manners, how to behave, how to learn, how to write. All these things we learn from the school. Next, park. A park is a recreational place in the neighborhood. People go to walk there, children go to play in the park. So park is also an important recreational place in the neighborhood. And so many people, they go to park for jogging and for walking and do some other kinds of exercises. And the children also, they like to go to the park because they can play there with so many things are there in the park, swing and seesaw, all these things are there, and they can play football also, badminton. So we can do a lot of activities in the park, a lot of place also there. So we can spend a lot of time with our friends also in the park. So all these are the important neighborhood services. Read this chapter 9, page number 57 and 58. Thank you. Have a nice day.